Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. No ads, offline listening, and the best tracks. Well, in this video, I will be showing you guys how to upgrade to Spotify Premium in just a few simple steps. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Launch your Spotify app. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different tabs. Head over to the tab Premium. Now here you're gonna find different versions of Spotify. Premium Duo, Premium Family, Premium Student, and Premium Individual. If you try to upgrade to any of these, you won't be able to do that. At the moment, you are unable to upgrade to Spotify Premium using the Spotify app in the iPhone, but you can use the web version. For that, launch your preferred browser. Now, navigate to the website of Spotify. Now, click on the option of Login. Provide your Spotify account's credentials. Once you're on the home page, at the top you're gonna find the premium plans. Click on View All. You're gonna get access to all the premium plans, individual, student, duo, and family. Now go ahead and select the premium that you wanna upgrade to. Just click on Try. Now select the payment method. Provide your payment details and click on Complete Purchase. With that, your Spotify account will be upgraded to the premium. So this is how you can easily buy Spotify Premium on an iPhone. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.